checker spot.
Yeah, check that out. Now we have not been over there to see if it actually does go in any at all, because you have to cross the water, and frankly, it's a little cold out today.
It's not a spot just to get out of the rain if you need
Yeah, yeah. But maybe when it's not so cold, we'll go over there and check it out, but not today.
to. More wild gummy fruit.
Yummy.
Of course, we got the tiny waterfall. Itty bitty. Even better shot.
Always remember, wet rock is not your friend.
Especially if it's got the green slime on it. These don't right now though.
But the pictures he was just showing you, where it was going back up toward the waterfall there. Some years ago I was out here and we were hiking down this river right there next to the waterfall, and I kind of slid, went down right into the water and ended up down here in this nice little swimming hole that you see. Yeah, I probably went for a good 100 yards in the water before I was finally able to get out, but that's how I discovered this place.
Yeah, that's one way to do it.
Yep.